Hello Zoho users. I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your Zoho platform so that you can achieve epic growth and scale. Many users don't know what's possible or where to start in their Zoho platform, but with the right growth partner, you can take on the world. Zoho is a big and powerful platform that can help you make big things happen when you set it up correctly and maximize it to its full potential. That's where we come in. As Australia's #1 enterprise Zoho partner, we've worked with tons of companies such as ASX listed healthcare, finance, insurance, NDIS, non-profit. We've got clients in Australia, US, UK, Canada, and many others. Whether it's expanding to new markets, developing new products and services, or building a volunteer management or contractor management app, then we can help. We help small business become big business and big business become enterprise grade. But don't take my word for it. We've got tons of reviews all over social media and hundreds of members in our Relevate community. There are a lot of beginner partners out there that really only have experience in 1 or 2 applications, and we often find ourselves doing a lot of rescue projects in their wake. When quality and scalability matter, come and see why so many businesses trust Relevate with their digital transformation. You can join our free online community and get access to hundreds of articles, guides, templates, videos, courses, or level up with our consulting services. If you're ready to accelerate your digital journey, then click one of the links in the description to work with us. We look forward to chatting with you soon. Take care.